Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a brand new pair of scissors. Hopefully I won't break them. We are currently in Florida where we have spent most of July. This is our third trip down. And we were in Chicago for, well, better part of a week. Well, we get there Thursday, Friday through Monday, Darren?
Yeah, it was Friday through Monday.
Yeah. Extended weekend. And while I was gone, I got this eBay order. These are sharp, but they're not going in the right direction. So I want to open it here. I brought it along because if there's a problem, you know what I always say, open everything on camera, even if you're not going to upload it to your channel, upload it so that if there is a problem, you have proof. And we just had a problem. Okay, I thought these were gonna be, I don't know. I just assumed that they were bigger. I saw this one on, if you don't watch Joni's stop motion creation, you're missing out. Joni is incredible with stop motion, and they're short, but I know it takes her hours for the setup and everything. She has so much detail, so many dolls, and her dolls are unique. She has really fun, different dolls. Well, she had this little elf. You know what? I think her name is Lorna. I should have had that in front of me. And I saw it, and I asked her about it, and she told me what they were, and I went to eBay, and I found her, but I found another one where it was her and this one for less money, and they had make offer, and you know I'm cheap, and you know if it says make offer, I'm going to. Although I missed out on a Kenner Blythe screwing around deciding what offer I was going to make. I should have made what my heart told me, and anyway. Look at these elves. Are they not incredible? They smell like smoke to you? I don't, my nose is on hyper smell. I smell, anyway. But are these not the most cute? Oh, they're so cute. Look at the teeth. Look at this face. They're so small. Look at his face. Oh, God, he's so cute. I think her name is Larna or Lerna, and I think she's a grandma. I'd have to look again. They come with books, like they come in a book, and they each have a story. Well, anyway, I had told Joni that I had put in the offer, and I told her when I got them, and she said, oh, could I send you a Happy Meal? Of course. So I am now opening Happy Meal from Joan. Well, that's a sharp pair of scissors. Here it is. Okay. Couldn't find the opening. I always double check because I have left stuff in the bag before. There we go. Hi, Morna. The outfit is for your new elf girl. The sleeves have zigzag stitching on the hem so you can stretch them over her big hands. The jumper snaps are tight, but will loosen with use. I hope you like the green puppy dog fabric. I also included a few doll-sized dresses. Wow. Joni, thank you. I haven't even opened it, and I'm excited. So let's open this one first. Oh my God, this is so cute. I can see it through the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. I gotta tell you, this workmanship, look at this beautiful work. Oh, the craftsmanship of this outfit. I'm gonna put this on my doll, but I want to show you the shirt before I do. Oh, wow, this is fantastic. Seriously, this is really well made. I mean, nice. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the fabric. Look at this little shirt. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, and my Blythe is here. Look at this. Oh, wow. Can you see that detail, Darren? Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, God, that's so cute. Velcro all the way up the back. I'm getting to where that's what I've been doing. I really like it that way. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, this is so cute. And this one has a snap. Let's dress some dolls. Look how adorable my little elf looks. Oh my, my. I combed out her hair a little bit. It's gonna need a little more, but this outfit is, oh, Joni, thank you so much. And look at this. These little elves, although are gonna need a stand, but they stand on their own. Well, I had her standing. Let's move on to Daisy. Look how cute Daisy looks in this dress. Wait, the stand kind of has it. I love that dress. Love, 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 love. I only brought one Blythe, and Darren has to get to work. So I'll just hold this like this and say once again, thank you, Joni. I absolutely love these. I'm going to leave a link in the description to Joni's channel. Honestly, go watch Joni's channel. There, it's unbelievable what she can do with stop motion and her dolls. I go to see the dolls, but she has details and tiny accessories, and it is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.